source. Today we are here in the lab for the test of starch. So, what is a starch? Starch is a carbohydrate naturally found in many grains and vegetables such as wheat, rice, potato and banana.
Starch is the main source of energy for the human body, and most of us consume food containing starch on a daily basis. We took some classes of banana that are rich in carbohydrates. Potatoes are also rich in carbohydrates. Bread and rice are also rich in carbohydrates. So, first of all, we are having this iodine solution here. A dropper. These are the things we need for this activity. So, with the help of the dropper, we will drop 3 to 4 drops of iodine solution on it. Now, you can see this iodine solution turns blue-black. What it indicates? This indicates that the starch is present in the food. The potato too. It also turns blue-black, means it is rich in carbohydrates and the starch is present here too.
Now we are going to do our second activity, that is test of starch in green leaves. Do you know that the leaves of plants produce glucose through photosynthesis? The excess glucose is converted into starch, which is the resourced food material in plants.
Let's do a small experiment to test the presence of starch in leaf.
We need a leaf, boiling water, alcohol, test tube and a split lamp. Take a leaf from a plant that has been exposed to sunlight for several hours. Bleach the leaf by boiling it in the water.
Now put the leaf in a test tube and cover it with alcohol. Now put the test tube in a boiling water. The chlorophyll slowly dissolves in the alcohol.
Place the bleached leaf in a petri dish. Doubling. The removal of chlorophyll helps us observe the color change of chlorophyll clearly. Now, pour iodine solution over it. Note the color of the leaf. It changes into blue-black. This is because the iodine combines with the starch present in the leaf. This shows that starch is present in a green leaf.